In this video, I am going to show you how to use the Google Translate function in Google Sheets. What the Google Translate function will do is it will take a text from one language and it will translate it into another language according to the arguments that you specify in the function. So it's pretty easy to use. Let's just take a look at the basic syntax here. So there's only 3 arguments. The first argument is the text, and that is the text that you want translated. So you can either put text into the function directly, and if you do that, the text has to be in quotation marks, or you can put a cell reference in the function. The next argument is source language. What this will be is a 2-letter language code of the source language, and then what you have as the last argument is the target language, which is the language that you want your text translated into. And again, for both of these language arguments, we have to use a 2-letter language code. So this is what I mean by 2-letter language code. Every language has a language code associated with it. So I have placed a link to my website where I have a table, the same exact table with all of the 2-letter language codes. If you want to take a look at that, I will place that link in the description of this video. I'll just show you how to use it though. So I have this English text here, and I'm going to convert it to 3 different languages using Google Translate. So all I'm converting is hello, my name is Matt, and first I'm going to convert it to Spanish. So equals Google Translate. This is the text that I'm translating. It is currently in English, so inside quotation marks, the 2-letter language code for English is EN, and I'm going to convert it to Spanish. So then inside quotation marks, I'm going to put ES for Spanish. And so you can see it just converted that. And so now I will also convert it to Vietnamese by changing this last argument instead of Spanish to VI for Vietnamese. And then in this last one, I will do FR for French. And you can see just like that, I have now converted this text into 3 different languages: Spanish, Vietnamese, and French, just by changing this target language last argument here. And that's basically it for using the function. It's pretty simple to use with only the 3 arguments. One important thing to note is that Google Translate is never going to be a 100% perfect translation, but it should do 90% of the job, depending on what you're trying to translate. So that's pretty much it for this video. Just let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching the video. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions or content suggestions, just let me know in the comments, and I'll try my best to answer everyone.